Welcome back to the channel. So this video is literally just a quick catch up and recap on how far I am with the 306 OEM upgrades. First of all, we're going to take a look at the spoilers. Spoilers are done, as you can see. These are the 3-leg spoilers. You've got the one for the brake light, one without the brake light. There is a red lens that sits in there. That'll be printed separate. I'm currently just sanding up a set, ready to paint. The standard phase 3 style spoiler can actually be sanded and painted as well. These are all held on with double-sided tape, but the fitment on that is pretty much done, as you can see on that one. Slight change to the wheels. So in the first design, you can see all the layer lines just here, because the wheel actually curves up. But once trying to sand them out, it does become a bit difficult. I've modified it so that if you look around the logo, it's actually now flat. So the rest of these layer lines can be sanded out, ready for you to paint, like that. Bits I was working on was the lights, and after multiple attempts and starting again and all the rest of it, finally come up with some that actually fit. Now the lens is actually printed separate. It's placed over the top. Yeah, you can put your LEDs in there if you want. Got your indicator, reverse, fog and tails and brake as well. As I say, the lens is separate, so you can paint the buckets silver if you want. The top half of the lenses will actually have some Tamiya X27 clear red on there. The lens will simply sit in. You can secure it with a tiny bit of super glue. And that'll fit in on there. And so this is one of the previous versions, no lower tab on the bottom. Also been working on the masks. I've got them as close as I can get them. Same for the front. I've had the paint turn up for it now. So the next step is to get the body cut out, cleaned up, ready for paint. And then I can finally decide whether we're going to go for silver or black light buckets on the front. There we go, just a really quick video, basically a progress report on how far I've got with all the OEM upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where hopefully we've got a body assembled with all the final versions of the parts printed, painted and fitted. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and keep your eyes peeled on eBay, where these parts will start turning up soon. See you in the next one.